Welcome to Flick's Water YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explore the longevity of ZeroWater filters. If you're curious about how long these filters actually last, the factors influencing their lifespan, and signs that it's time for a replacement, stick around. Before we start, can you please click the subscribe button below? We really need your support to develop this channel and publish more and more videos. Just one click on the subscribe button, you are helping us and we really appreciate it. Again, we really need your help. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you. So, according to ZeroWater, their filters, which come with a pitcher, are supposed to last around 40 gallons. That's roughly 3 to 4 months of use. However, in reality, it might not always be the case. Our experience and customer reviews suggest that, on average, these filters last about 1 to 2 months. Now, why the difference? ZeroWater's 40-gallon estimate assumes your tap water has a moderate amount of total dissolved solids, TDS. If your water's TDS count is higher than 150, the filter won't last for the full 40 gallons. Two main things affect how long your ZeroWater filter hangs in there: your water usage and water quality. Firstly, your water usage matters. If you're a heavy user, flowing more water through the filter each day, it's likely to wear out faster. On the flip side, if you're a bit more conservative with your water use, the filter might last longer than expected. Secondly, water quality plays a role. ZeroWater filters are all about tackling TDS, and they even come with a nifty TDS meter. The worse your water's quality, the quicker the filter clogs up, shortening its lifespan. Conversely, if your water has fewer dissolved solids, the filter might hold out longer. Now, how do you know when it's time to say goodbye to your filter? There are a few signs. First, keep an eye on the TDS meter. If it reads 0, things are good. But if it hits 006 or more, it's time for a new filter. Next, taste your water. If it starts to taste a bit off, maybe like lemons or fish, that's a sign the filter is on its last legs. And finally, monitor your water flow. If it takes forever to filter, the contaminants might be clogging things up. A slow flow rate is a red flag. As for replacements, you can snag them from the ZeroWater website or places like Amazon. They often offer multi-packs at a better price, so if you're in it for the long haul, it could be a money saver. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons below to support us if you like this video. Thank you and see you in next videos.